Hey guys, so for today's video, I got new LED license plate lights. So installing those and seeing if they're worth it or not. I've been wanting to get LED ones for a while now, so finally did it, but I gotta go to school first. I have one class at 2 o'clock and then I'm done for the day. So yeah, nice day out too. It's literally January 6th and it's 45 degrees out and it's sunny. This weather is actually very rare for this time of year. I'll get a little pull here. So that class was really dumb. We didn't do anything. So I'm gonna go home, might go snowboarding for a little bit, and then I'll put those lights in, and then we can see how they look in the dark. So my original plan was I was gonna go snowboarding for a couple hours today, but I just don't feel like it. I'm just gonna chill at home for now, and I'll put the lights on my car when it gets a little darker so I can show you, but I think they're only like 20 bucks. So I guess we'll see how they work, but I think it just snaps in like this, and then you just gotta plug this in somewhere. I guess. Let's see if I can. So here's the tailgate lights that are stock. They're like yellow and they don't match any of the other LED stuff. So I'm gonna change those out tomorrow afternoon, and then I'll show you what they look like. So I'm finally finishing this video like 3 days later because I've been so busy I haven't had time to do anything. But all we have to do is there's a little clip. So I'm gonna pop that clip out, take these out, and then plug the new ones in. So we got that one out. You just have to pull this clip that goes back there. You pull it out, and then this comes out. And then I gotta plug the new one into here, I think. So I plugged in. This metal piece goes in where the light bulb did, and then this I'm assuming is like a resistor. So I'm gonna push this one back in there, and then put the clip back in, and we'll do this. See, the clip goes up there, but this one's the clip wasn't working all the way, but that looks so much cleaner. Wow. Off with a little cold start here. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Gonna have a lot more coming, and we got a little bit of snow, so maybe we'll do something with that. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.